Okay, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome back to the Casual Investor Podcast. Adil Hamzah here, your host for this podcast. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Casual Investor Podcast and IG and also TikTok. I appreciate every one of you here looking into the what we call this, not looking lah, watching this video. Watching this video, really like giving you tips and tricks on even for this podcast in marriages, divorce, or also in financial wise. But just to touch on, I'm not a professional certified financial advisor or also a marriage counselor. I'm just here to share with you on based on my experience, my results, and everything. So basically, now I'm at home lah. During my lunchtime, so I just want to share a little bit on what happened in the market right now. So those whoever is listening to this podcast now, the market is quite volatile. We see yesterday during over the weekend is only like Bitcoin is about 26 to 25 to 26k, and then yesterday it went up to I think 27.9, and then no to 27.8, and it went down back to 27.2 like that. Yeah, and then it was a very good pump because after a daily candle, some of the traders said that the moving average was going for bullish. So we're not too sure whether this is a fake out or is just gonna pump throughout the whole entire month. So yeah, but we are now looking at the buying position whereby all the coins are all in a good position to buy, to accumulate. So this is not financial advice again. Whoever is on trading wise, you guys look on the chart. I'm not into a trading part lah actually, so but I still draw some angles and lines and here and whatnot. But the best is when you are an investor. These are the period whereby it's transition from a bull, from a bear cycle to accumulation cycle, and then after, before the halving there will be another drop, which is previously there is a extremely drop, which is on last year December. It was extremely at the bottom, so there is a transition of at the bottom, and then when you see January, mid January, it went up. So there is a transition whereby from December 2022 to 2023, January it went up to be stable back. So that is where it transition to the next bull cycle, which is maybe in April 2024 to 2025. You know, that one particular year, anything can happen, anything can, you can change your life. Because why I dare to say is because okay, there are a few things that the most people are waiting for is the Bitcoin halving and the approve of all the major big cryptos ETF, whereby BlackRock is also submitting their ETF to the SEC, and also Vanguard are also doing it, and then Franklin Templeton also doing it. So they are very big institution whereby they want their client to have the feel of what is crypto is. So they open up this ETF and they submit their application and waiting for SEC to approve. So these are all pending. There's a reason why they are pending. They are just playing with the market. They are just playing with, when it's time is right, that is where they are gonna approve it, and then that's where they're gonna many investors coming in, new investors coming in. So what are you gonna do as a public, as a retail investor like us? I'm not advising, but what I am doing is I keep on accumulating every single week, every single month. I cut down on my spending. I whatever I cut down, and then I got spare capital, I put in more and more. It's a very big risk, because why is crypto, it can also go down more than the pricing now. I am preparing for more down, but at the same time I'm happy with what I purchased right now. So this current price is still at a 92 to 96 percent down from the all-time high, so which is good. Because why, you not to worry about, it won't go to even 100%. No, it won't go, because these are all the caps that you buy when we talk about top 10 caps lah. So if top 10 caps you are buying at a cheaper price at the 90% down or 80% down, even for Bitcoin 70 plus down, is something that you want to go in, rather than you buy, sorry about it, rather than you're gonna buy it at the top, and then you're gonna see your money drop drastically more than 50%. If you put 10k, it's gonna be 5k. If you're gonna put 10k, drop to 90%, it's gonna be like few thousands. Based on experience, yeah. So now is a better place to accumulate. Actually, this year, from the beginning of the year, all throughout to if you already start accumulating last year December all the way until today, you still at a green zone. At the same time, even you at the green zone, you still accumulating, then you're just waiting for the price to go up, shoot up to maybe 10x possible. We never know. Predictions out there said that Bitcoin can go up to 1,000. So I can say this time around, yes, it's because of this major big companies. This we are talking about trillions. They're managing profile or client profiles of a few thousand of profiles of trillion assets. So these are major big institution whereby they are all into all these ETF Bitcoin spots. So they are just waiting to jump in, and more people come in. That's where we are here to make more money in this time bull cycle lah. So hopefully, so I can say with this bull cycle, many even more millionaire. I can say not even millionaire, even six figures also possible if you put in five figures as a start. You put a five figures more than 10k, and eventually if it's tried more than 15x or even more than 10x, it's possible to get six figures because uh, I don't dare to say confirm, but it's a matter of how you hold it, how you dollar cost average, and also staggering profit taking. So these are things that you need to take note lah. Because within a year, anything can happen. Within a month, some cryptos can go up to more than 150%. Within a year, some cryptos can go even like 2,000 over percent. So these are all and above lah. So these are all the market caps and everything. The community are there. These are big institution coming in. So possible that during the halving there will be on April there will be another which is the fourth cycle of the halving. There will be one more drop. These are what based on what I research and what I heard of crypto millionaires out there saying that before and after there will be a price dip. So once there is a price dip, then after the halving price dip, that's where the bull cycle starts from there. About 1 year, 1 year plus 1.5 years. Yeah, so after 1.5 years you saw the peak, then that's where you start to sell, take the profit. That's where the bull cycle comes in again, waiting for the next 4 years, which is in 2028, 2029. So that's how the market works. So for now, majority all the assets in other what we call that category, like the gold side, S&P 500, the Nasdaq, all at the peak or all time high right now. Some are in greens, not all time high, but still in the phase of beating the all time high previous. So they are in line. So anything is either they break out or they will just go down again based on what. Usually the cycle is people already make money from the other side of the asset. They will come into crypto, pump again, and then that's where people liquidate, and then after that go back to traditional assets. That's how the cycle works. Yeah. So yeah, bonds are not doing well right now. So yeah, is this is how market works. How human brains also work. So when more people are coming into crypto, I can see that the potential is over there. As for this year itself, last few weeks, right? There are Singapore token 2049, if not wrong. Yeah, this event whereby major crypto millionaires came into Singapore and have this event. They have even a yacht party. They had a very good what you call networking. That's where majority, when I see the video, they say that they feel very bullish in Singapore. They don't feel bearish like how in US, in other countries are. So these are the places like Singapore, United Kingdom, what we call this, all Dubai. These are all they are looking into crypto most, and just because in their US they're having this issue on SEC, not approving on things, not happy with things about in crypto. These are things that stopping them from being having a freedom to do more on crypto. So when they came to our country, they came to Singapore. That's where they felt that Singapore is very bullish on these crypto assets and whatnot. And to me, I also very bullish. I'm also can't wait really to make life changing, maybe from 5 figures to 6 figures, inshallah. You all doa for me lah. So yeah, with that, thank you so much. I would like to say thanks to you guys for stay tuned, listening to the podcast. Just be ready for 2024, 2025. Accumulate as many crypto as you can. This is not financial advice. Only invest on money things that you ready and really want to lose it. Don't overspend, don't over borrow and whatnot. So yeah, with that, thank you so much and have a good day. Please support me on my business. I do have some handyman services, which is we can do painting, we can do fixing of fitting lightings or even fan. We can do your cabinets, we can do your toiletries, we can do your your bedroom and everything. So yeah, you just DM me at the Casual Investor IG. And you also can call me at 987 30 861, 987 30 861. So with that, thank you so much guys and have a good day. I hope you guys have a very nice weekend. Have a nice weekend, have a nice day. Yeah, so with that, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.